have a team approach essentially to help
Hmm.
guide our clients through this process. And the attorneys are there to do the legal elements of the
Right.
collaborative process, right? Literally explaining the law, drafting the documents, focusing in that way. As you know, we often have a financial neutral who's fantastic to help gather, what are the financial components of a divorce?
Hmm.
And then lastly, when we think about divorce, there's a third component, which is what are the psychological and emotional components of a divorce, right?
Oh,
And
right.
there's the legal piece, there's the financial piece, but in collaborative law, we want everybody to come out as emotionally healthy as they can.
Yes.
Oftentimes, right, we're working with
Yes.
folks who have kids. And, one of the roles of a collaborative divorce coach is to work with those parents to help
Hmm.
them make that transition from spouses to co-parents,
Hmm.
right? And
Right.
how do you find a way to work together to support your kids, right?
Right.
That's a big draw for a collaborative divorce process. And then one other thing I'll say is on the team, right? The
Mhm.
collaborative divorce coach is really managing what's the emotional content in the room, what's the level, right?
Yes.
We're
Yes.
asking people to make really big life-changing decisions, and we're asking them to work together despite dissolving their marriage. And we want them to
Right.
be able to make really good decisions when they're in an emotionally safe space. If we're working just from anger or fear, we might
Right.
make decisions differently than when
Yes.
we're in a more open space.